So in the top left corner, add the text last edited by, and then add your name, center number, candidate number. Set the text to style P. Place a non-breaking space between the colon and your candidate details, and add a title to the head section of your web page which displays CTB homepage. Okay, so in this video we're going to be looking at how to put text on your page, and let's see if we can make it style P, and then we'll see if we can look at the next few instructions as well. So we have our blank page. As you saw in the previous video, we've created this page. So in the instruction here, it says we've got to type in last edited by, and then add your name, center number, and candidate number. So that's what we're going to type in. So last edited by, you have your name, your center number, and your candidate number. So in the instruction, it says that we've got to set the text to style P. So if we look at this text, to check if it is in style P, or to change it into style P, we first want to highlight it. And at the bottom, we're going to go to code. And if you look at the tags, which are these crocodile symbols with the text in the center, which surround the text which we just highlighted, you can see that within the crocodile symbols there is the letter P. So at the moment, last edited by, name, center number, candidate number, etc. is in style P, so there's nothing that we have to change over here. The next instruction says place a non-breaking space between the colon and your candidate details. So I'm just going to put my cursor after the colon. To do this, I'm going to go back to the code view. You can see my cursor is still after the colon. To put in a non-breaking space, this is just a little bit of code to memorize. You've got to use Shift 7, which is the and symbol. So Shift 7, and then a non-breaking space is abbreviated as NBSP, non-breaking space. And then you've got to put a semicolon after it. So just memorize that. The and symbol, and then NBSP, semicolon. So if I go back to design view, nothing will change, but that just means it's fine. Alright, so that's how you put in a non-breaking space. The last part, add a title to the head section of your web page which displays CTB homepage. So the head section of your web page. So just be careful, they're not talking about a heading on this page here. They're talking about the head section background of the code. So to change the title to CTB homepage of our head section, you would have to go back to the code. You'd see here's the head section here. See, it goes from head to head. But you're going to see there's a tag called title. And the text in between title, you have to change to what they want us to change it to. CTB homepage. So type it CTB home page. So I'm going to go back to design view. You will see nothing has changed. But what will happen is if we go to file and we go to preview and browser, we just choose the first one. So it's going to save it, whatever we've done to our page, we're going to save. And what should happen now is the tab should have the title that we just made that title of our code. So if we look over here, it's going to load. So this is what our web page will look like so far. Just give it a minute. And there we go. There's our last edited by name, center number, candidate number. And you can see that our tab has the title CTB homepage. Okay, I hope that's right. Let me know if you have any questions.